Hi. This little tiny. He lives on our boat. He lives on our boat.
It's good, it's getting used to different noises.
Yeah. So here's little tiny wandering around. We let him out at home, but he's also always on the leash, and he can't get off of our deck, which isn't that huge. But he's fine. He generally just sits there and plunks himself down, and he will stare at the squirrels and the birds and everything else, and bugs flying around, but he doesn't really get too excited or try to run away or try to attack anything. He knows the perimeter, and he's okay with that. But now he is all happy because he's off the boat, wandering around, taking mommy for a walk, and just checking things out and trying not to fall in the water. So this is a good thing. It's getting him more used to strange noises or uncommon noises and people that he hasn't seen in the past. Because he lives a very sheltered life. So we're trying to make a man out of him.
Come here, let's go look at the turtle.
Oh boy. Oh boy. This must be exciting. Okay, this is the end of our full day here, the Friday. Yeah, it's been raining on and off all day long. Right now it's not raining, but I'm lying because I'm looking across the water and I see rain coming, so you will hear that in just a second. It's been a half an hour rain, half an hour of not rain, half an hour of really, really heavy rain, half an hour of hot, intense sunshine, and then half an hour of rain. So we just had our half an hour of not rain. But it's gotten quite cool out. We were actually sitting out there on the swim platform, and mosquitoes came out because it's just that time of day. It's not too late. It's just about 6:30. The lock staff is getting ready to go home and shut down. And yeah, so we're just calling it a day. I would have liked to wander around and take some pictures because it looks so beautiful. I did. And maybe I'm even sharing those with you right now. But another fantastic day. Great, great day. Yes, my dear. I just said that. Anchor Girl's telling me the rain's coming again. So yeah, we had a good day. Really good day. Really relaxing day. And Anchor Girl and I did a bunch of planning for the future. And I'm very excited, and that's all I'm going to have to say about that. You'll see more coming. So yeah, that's it. A great day. Tomorrow's supposed to be sunny all day. That's what they said 2 days ago, because we have hardly any interwebs working, so I'm unable even to update the weather app. So whatever, it is what it is. We're probably going to start heading back tomorrow, but we're going to take advantage of as much as we can tomorrow morning here, and I'll show you around what it looks like sunny. So hopefully you will stick around, see what that's all about. Well, after making a hasty and unplanned exit from the top of Lock 40, the only reason we did that is because we were going to go in around noon, and it's around 11 o'clock now. So the gates were open. There was a boat coming down and going to go through. So we're perfect. It's open. It'll be easy. So we took off, and it's a good thing. Like Anchor Girl just said, good timing because man, it's busy today. Yeah, it's surprisingly busy. But I guess yesterday with all the rain, there wasn't too much travel. But 8-10 boats already have come up, and us and one other behind us right now, a sailboat. But we can see ahead of us. I can see at the bottom of the lock there's a boat waiting, as well as there's at least one coming down the channel. And again, as Anchor Girl said, it's a good thing that they got the swing bridge working today. So I'm just coming into the top side of Lock 41 right now. Slowed her right down to idle speed. There's zero wind right at this spot right now. A little bit, I can see it flapping in the flag over there, but it's okay, it's all good. We're heading into the wind anyway, so that'll work to our benefit. So rather than bore you with what it looks like looking at the front of the boat, I'm going to bore you what it looks like me driving the boat into here. Looks like a busy day already, eh?
That's good. Exactly.
Yeah, it keeps you on your toes.
It's always nice to have a busy day.
Yeah.
Exactly. Like yesterday and the day before. Well, we are on our way back home, and that ends this segment of our long weekend. Now, the long weekend's not over yet because it's only 11:30 on Saturday morning, which is so nice. Man, oh man, I woke up this morning thinking about that. It's like, it's only Saturday. It's awesome. You know what's awesome about it? Because it's only Saturday. And and the fact that we've had already 2 days off prior to that, and 2 days away, so it's been great. Yes, yesterday was 50% rain, 50% sort of rain. We had one night at the marina, 2 nights away.
Yeah, that's right. Like
And one more night at the marina.
like Anchor Girl just said, right? So we will have 5 nights all together, right? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
4.
5 nights. 5 days-ish. So Wednesday we got there, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I didn't go to school, you know that. I'm a high school dropout, proud to say. And it was mostly not at school. The last year I was at school. So anyways, yeah, we're just heading back to the marina now. It looks like the sun's coming up. As I mentioned, it was a unplanned takeoff this morning.
but that's okay. So by the time we get back to the marina, 1-ish, something like that, get a pump out, of course, and then tie up, and then we'll have actually some interwebs, because the interwebs has been so painfully slow there, and it's just that I've been researching.
You have to stay off your phone. That's all there is to it.
Honey, I've been researching stuff for us. I have. So yes, I've been doing some pretty cool researching for future projects. So let's just leave it at that. And so the interweb is so yeah, when we get back, I'll do a little bit more follow-up research. And I was actually able to edit 2 or 3 videos. 2 I think I completed, and then 1 I will complete tonight and get it out to you, which is the first part of this trip. So I hope you are going to look forward to all of them, as well as all of our upcoming adventures, because man, oh man, my head just exploded 2 nights ago when Anchor Girl and I were talking about what we're going to do in the future, and it's so positive, and I'm hyped up. I'm as hyped up as I've ever been, and so looking forward to our future boating adventures. It's going to be pretty cool. So I hope you guys keep following along. As always, look forward to your comments, and I will see you on the next one, which I'm going to probably start filming later today. Okay, see ya. Cheers.